Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me on Mommy and Jerome's channel. It's so great to have you here. Subscribe. So, this is my usual Saturday morning routine. I get up at 6 a.m. and I head to Walmart. I go to Walmart at 6 a.m. because, one, the overnight stockers work all night to get things out on the floor. So I know if they don't have it in the evenings, they usually have it in the mornings after they've gotten a shipment. Of course, I get a lot of oranges. I pack oranges in the kids' bags every single day. Joelle takes 2 oranges to school every single day. And sometimes she also has one with her breakfast. So oranges are important in our house. These ones are really good from Walmart. I get a couple of these because I usually enjoy eating these big ones. So I get those. And then we continue on. I love getting purple onions. I think they're a great addition to any salad. Now let's go down the meat aisle. Of course, I got to get bacon. Um, we usually have bacon on Saturdays, and I also get the low sodium bacon. It's a little bit less salt. It's actually 8% of your daily allowance of salt. And any little thing that you can cut back on, you should. These sausages are really good, really, really good. And so we alternate between those and the bacon. Usually on Saturday or Sunday mornings, I make breakfast with the kids. We make pancakes. Then we have to get yogurt. Yogurt is very important in my house. Joelle takes one to school every single day. It's one of the only things that she eats that has protein. She does not eat meat or beans or anything like that. So the only 2 brands of yogurt that she eats, we yogurt and Noosa yogurt. So usually I get Noosa yogurt from Costco. However, lately they haven't been having the fruit assortment, but they've had the fall flavors, which is like pumpkin, caramel, and vanilla. However, Joelle prefers the fruits, and also it has the added benefit of vitamin C. So that's the way I usually go. So anyways, I usually get about 8 yogurt for the week. She takes one to school every day, and I get a few extra if Jerome wants to have one for a snack. Next thing that I get, sometimes I get milk. It's nice to have milk handy, but usually I get goat milk for Carl. Next, I can't do without my tea, y'all. I have to get tea. So this one is the Celestial Blends. Sometimes I get that, but I really like peppermint. That's my favorite flavor from there, so I stick with the peppermint, and I'll just get a box of those. Jojo is growing so fast, so let's just see what's available. And I think these are cute, so I got her a pair. It's not a name brand, but it's comfortable. Her shoes last they maybe last for as long as 3 or 4 months. So why not get a Walmart brand? Next thing, we got to top up on our vitamin C. I get the Hall's Defense Citrus Pack. I usually get the economy pack. We take one of those every single day. Then that's it for Walmart this week. Let's see how much my bill brings up to. It shouldn't be that much. I'm estimating $35, $30. Y'all, prices have been going up, $44.08. But I'm usually out of Walmart by 7:10, 7:20. Then it's time for breakfast. This morning I'm doing callaloo. We actually have callaloo growing in our yard. Yes, we do in New Orleans. And so for breakfast this morning, I'm doing callaloo. You know you gotta wash your callaloo good because we don't spray it or put anything on it. We also have papayas from our backyard. So for breakfast this morning, fried dumplings, callaloo, and papaya. By 9:30 a.m., my nail salon is open. I go and I get a pedicure, usually every 2 to 3 weeks. So that's mommy time. That's me time. It's my holy time. Nobody bothers me. I take a book or I listen to music or I edit videos, but I use my time well. The water always feels so good. It's just such a delightful feeling, just being there, relaxed, not knowing anyone, without all the social pressures. And without, having your family around or the kids around, calling me here, calling me there. They need this, they need that. You know what I mean? So, anyways, of course, it's the massage chair. I didn't use the massage this time. I don't think I did at all. So, the person who usually does my nails, I usually request her every single time I go there. I, there's like two of them that I usually use. By the time my petty is done, it's close to midday and it's time to take the kids to the park. So Joelle loves this spinny thing, and lucky for her, she has a big brother who loves to spin her in it. Um, she loves to just hang out in there and just sit down. As you see, Jerome is actually showing her her little signs. Joelle is actually learning sign language, and so she knows the word for more is putting both hands together. And so that's exactly what she's doing and what her brother is also reinforcing with her and myself. Right? Of course, her big brother loves to push her around, make her dizzy, and I love to watch them. This is our time where I get to hang out and spend time with them, because during the week I work all day. By the time I get home, I'm tired. You make dinner, do homework. You don't really have time to just hang out and be with each other. So this time is very precious. They don't last long. Anyways, Joelle loves her little outing. Usually we either have lunch before or we have lunch right after the park. I usually get them whatever they want. Of course, it's something like McDonald's or Popeyes. Joelle doesn't eat anything from Popeyes except the biscuits. And Jerome eats everything from Popeyes. But Joelle's place to be is McDonald's. This is her favorite play item. Whichever park she goes, wherever in the world, that's her favorite item. And we love this part because you get to watch the streetcar go by. So by the time 3 p.m. we're back home and it's time for me to go get snacks for my students. This is not something that the school pays for or anything like that. I just go to do it on my own. We have a long school day. And so I try to get my kids something that I keep in our little snack drawer that they can have at break time. So we're on our way to go get that now. And what I get kind of varies. Usually I get wafers. They usually like the wafers. What else I get? The cheese with the breadsticks or the pretzel sticks. Yeah, yeah. Y'all see my Jamaica flag? All day, every day, baby. Also Oreos. If they have the Oreos, I get those too. So that's what's up for today. That's what we're gonna have this week for our snack. And then sometimes I also just get something from Walmart or wherever. But I like to have a variety because I have so many different kids in my class who have different tastes and likes. And by the time it rolls around to 5 p.m., it's dinner time. The kids wanted me to make French toast with my homemade berry sauce. So I have berries in the fridge all the time. As you can see, I get those from Costco. And so, fresh berries right in the pot, a little bit of white sugar on top, whatever to your liking. And that's it. Boil it on medium. Right? I got my eggs, I got my heavy cream that I use to make my custard, a little ground cinnamon, vanilla, and I used fresh nutmeg. So I bring back my nutmeg from Jamaica and I grated it myself right in there. Nutmeg is my favorite thing to taste when I'm having French toast. All right, everything is ready now. We're doing our thing. I was thinking about making soup. I am going to make soup actually. I already took out, and those Scotch bunny peppers are from my backyard too. So I already took out chicken. That's for tomorrow, for Sunday. I don't know what I do with it yet. I don't know, I might fry a couple pieces or do some pieces in the air fryer. But then might also curry some. Yep, those Scotch bonnet peppers are all from my backyard. Anyways, let's keep it rolling on this French toast because Jojo is ready. You see her right there. I watch over the pot. Ready, ready, ready. And there's the berry sauce. It's almost ready. I see it bubbling a lot, so that tells me there's still a good amount of liquid left in there. So I let it bubble out a little bit more so that it thickens. All right. And here goes buttery French toast soaked in all that custard. Yum. And this is the finished product. French toast with my berry sauce. The kids enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.